Here we go. My name's Goldie. Welcome to Live at the BeeHive. Round number 2. We have found ourselves at East. What's the reservoir over here? East Canyon Reservoir, and we're at the top of the mountain pass, which is like, it looks like we're about east of Salt Lake City. So I'm going to show you a shot here real quickly. Like, just check downstream here. Let's say hi to the band while we're at it. Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey.
So this is the band that's going to join us. We're going to learn more about them here in a moment. I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a shot downstream right there. The lighting is kind of blasted right now, so we're just, as it goes, this is going to be fun. As we go through the sunset, we'll see the lighting change. It's just earth stuff, and it's delicious. So you're here for the ride, and thanks for being here again. I literally was introduced to the gentleman holding the guitar on my right, your left. His name's Eric. That is about as much as I know of him. So, Eric, a question for you. Like, who are you? And who'd you bring to us right now? Who's standing in front of me right now?
Well, this is a collection of ragtag cosmic travelers. I am in love with this one right here. She's a treasure. And
what is her name?
Her name is Janae. That's what they called her when she was little. And then this is Tasha, our dear friend. And this is Timothy Butler. Hello. And this is Robert. Robert made his bass. Robert's a craftsman. Timothy makes beats. That's gonna take you dancing through the cosmos. And we all met, us four right here met in the desert in a lightning storm. And we've been friends ever since. I'm making these songs that come from, it's, if you could imagine the grandma of all the stars in the sky. It's like her voice. I just try to put myself in tune with it. So I'm cool with grandmas.
Well, that's a great message to send to start this thing up. So with that, grandmas and everyone else involved, you guys are going along for a ride right now. Eric, what's the name of your band, brother?
We are Mountain Tribe. And
Mountain Tribe has found themselves on the side of a mountain. So ladies and gentlemen, Mountain Tribe, this is your house now. Take it away.
This one called Ancient Mama. It's oh holy day when we lay down our guns and we sit by the river and pray. Oh holy day, well the time has come to take our place in that milky river in this way. Oh, holy night watches over me as we walk along the shore. At the end of the day, when the fire burns bright, I'm the luckiest man in every way. Got you here after you, and we'll be holding hands in the sun together, making them memories, and we're loading them up to the sun, loaded up to the sun. Oh, the sun really gobbles them up and sends them way out to space, so others might know you and who you are in the grand scheme of things. Hello, you. My name is Eric. What up? I think they called me that before I really knew. I'ma tell you, my brother and my sister, yeah. Here to see this thing through, yeah. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. When you finally get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. I said, hey, everywhere. Hey, to your mama, say a hey, everywhere. Yeah, hitting down with me, say hey, everywhere. Pray to the mama, say hey, everywhere. Yeah. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. When you finally get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. When you finally get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. I say, hey, everywhere. Hey, to mama, say, hey, everywhere. Yeah. Hey, everywhere. Yeah. Getting down with me, say, hey, everywhere. Yeah. Getting down with you, getting down with you, getting down with you, ain't you, mama? Getting down with you, getting down with you, getting down with you, ain't you, mama? Getting down with you, getting down with you, getting down with you, ain't you, mama? Getting down with you, getting down with you, getting down with you, ain't you, mama? Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. When you finally get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. Hey, mama, when you get to me, you know I feel you deep inside. When you finally get to me, you know I'm coming on alive. Yeah. Hey, to your mama, say hey, everywhere. Yeah. Getting down with me, say hey, everywhere. Yeah. I got it. Hey, everywhere. As I climbed a mountain, yes, it took most of the day. Thank God for the lessons I learned and the things I saw that day. Wisdom came upon me as I laid upon the stones. I turned into sunlight, yes, it felt like I was home. Now I'm free, where I wanna be. I'm free in this place called mystery. I'm free where I wanna be. I'm free in this place called misery. We come so far in love, babe. And our wisdom rising up. You see me rising. We come so far in love, babe. You know that wisdom rising up. We met the wise man and he had a steady pace. He had a bright light in his eyes and he had a lot to say. And we climbed a mountain, there were trees along the way. Old friends from a different time, and they had a lot to say. And I'm free where I wanna be. I'm free in this place called mystery. I'm free where I wanna be. I'm free. We come so far in love, babe. Our wisdom's rising up. 'Cause we've come so far in love, babe. You know that wisdom rising up. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. We could time travel, dog.
We just did it. We went 5 minutes into awesomeness is what we just did. That was so amazing. Eric, question, when did Mountain Tribe become Mountain Tribe?
I mean, that's kind of an epic tale, dog. Are you sure you're ready for that kind of an answer?
You know what? Maybe that was a dumb question.
No, I mean,
So we're on an elevator and we're in a Marriott that's got 6 floors.
All
You
right.
got to sell me Mountain Tribe in that
Totally.
elevator.
Totally. I mean, I used to play a lot of music out. I had a band, and then I had some experiences that really changed my life and changed the way I looked at things. So I started writing music in a different way and a different kind of connection with what, you know, people get inspired by, the muses. I call it, you know, it's the muses in everybody and everything. It's that conversation that goes on. It's where we get the word music from, you know. And so yeah, I started writing music and I fell in love. And so she listened to the music I had, and we formed this this beautiful harmony. It's a natural harmony of love about all the songs that we were writing, and she never sang before, but she just started singing it, and it was really beautiful to listen to that natural thing. We met Tasha, and I heard her voice. I was like, man.
And then I had a dream. I had a dream that we were singing together. So I was like, girl, I just had a dream that we were singing together. She was like, let's make it a reality. Then she came down.
And we invited her out to the desert, and there was a lightning storm, and we saw him and Tim right here. And he got into the RV, and we watched this storm come through and blow all the stage over. We were supposed to play out the next day, and all the tents are blowing away. And we're like, let's play music. And we all played for the first time. Tasha hadn't really played with us, and Tim had never played with us. And in that motorhome, we kind of formed this really magical kind of moment with the lightning striking.
Unreal.
Robert came blasting on down with his bass, and it was like, dang, dog, I want to do some music with you. And so we started playing together, and things just got just that much more of a shaky, kind of a bump it to it now.
That's the way it should go.
More so.
All right, so here it is, Mountain Tribe. My name's Goldie. You're on Live at the BeeHive. Let's get back into it. Let's go.
Long gone, did it take too long to get my heart back on the line? I laid my head on that desert sand and couldn't help but notice all the lights. It's long gone, rest my weary head. It's long gone, lay this time to bed. Take me back to the mountaintop where we can watch the ships come in, laden heavy with the treasure trove of all the places we've been. 'Cause I was born of a preacher man, you know he saved me from my sins. Living library of memories of all my past and here. It's long gone, rest my weary head. It's long gone, lay this time to bed. Take me back to the mountaintop, we'll bring the waters of the age. Read the pictures on the walls and see the capes upon the sage. She's been here for eternity, and she'll love you just the same. Here in the melody, oh, you know her by her name. It's a long gone, rest my weary head. It's a long gone, lay this time to bed. It's kind of have a pirate theme. I mean, if you want, like a cosmic pirate ship. From the Milky River where my fathers come from, I'll be dancing on the whiskers of the morning sun. In the dark of night where those mothers made me, I'll be shaking up the branches of my family tree. All through the sea, rays of light, they be shining down on me. Ain't no place for us to run and hide from that infrared light, that ultraviolet light, that iridescent light shining down on me, from the trapped fire light, in the dark of night, and I'm on the moonlight shining down on me. Light, they be shining down on me. Oh, through the sky, ain't no place for us to run and hide. Have you ever been saved by the unseen hand? Have you ever wondered what's under the sand? Very deep down over in the promised land. Very deep down over in the promised land. Like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, put me in the fire, but I'll never grow old, 'cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land. Oh, through the sea, rays of light, they be shining down on me. They be shining, they be shining. And the sand gonna show me the way, and my compass pointing straight to the lion's bay. 'Cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land. And a shedding sister sent me on this quest to lay the fog of man down to his rest. 'Cause I found my treasures in the promised land. Yes, I found my treasures in the promised land. Yeah. What you got, Goldie?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it's more about what. I mean, I got buttons and knobs. You guys have like sick talent. I mean,
I
we're
got
working
buttons
with
and
this.
knobs, too, dog.
How when Ben contacted you guys? All right, now Ben, run in there. Run in there. Your right arm has been in the camera the whole time. Might as well get the whole rest of the body in there now. Come on, Ben, get in there. I need you in here. Stand over here somewhere. There we go. This is Ben. Now back up. That's just Ben's junk. Yeah, there we go. This is Ben. And yeah, Ben. Yeah, there we go. Oh, now Ben's going for a road trip. Ben, yeah, get near a microphone. Why not? Why not? Why don't you get near a microphone? I want you to get near a microphone. That's right. This is impromptu Ben-ness. So Ben is the.
I don't do this.
Ben's the ringmaster. He does it.
I do
he
that
does
behind
it.
the
I
camera
know.
right
He's
now.
never
No,
in
not
front of the
nearly as
camera. I
pretty
love
as you.
this. This is good. This is good.
on you all
Hot
day,
spot
dog.
stuff right here. Ben,
Looking great.
What do you want,
I
Goldie?
called you up, brother. It was like a random, and we talk here and again.
Here.
It's once, it's twice, it's here and again. It's not like we don't go to the mall every day like we used to.
No.
So the question to you is, I call you and I said, hey, listen, do you have a band that would make sense to play against this backdrop? And you said, these
Mountain Tribe,
humans.
Absolutely. I mean, no, we don't spend the miles we used to. And you filled me in on this cool project as part of your arsenal of all the things Goldie and BeeHive Productions does, whatever. Anyways,
will.
you sent me the videos for the Buffalo Commons video.
Yeah.
And we're like, hey, I'm coming to Utah.
I want to do that.
Look at this whole thing. And then you were like, you got a band? You know anybody? And I was with Adam at the time. And we kind of looked at each other and we're like, well, Mountain Tribe. Absolutely. And the ball went rolling and somehow went uphill. And we're here on this mountaintop with Mountain Tribe.
Yeah.
And it couldn't be a better vibe.
No, and it's legit. And Ben, and I tell you, we didn't get a chance. Ben, your car is just parked right over here. We have these two human beings. It's a little
There's
blurry
three.
right now.
There's three.
There's
You can
three.
count.
Well,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
how blurry the shot is. I got to work on
2
this.
plus 1.
But they are marinating on your Range Rover side
Oh,
VIP
man.
stage. Is
Yeah,
that
yeah.
Did I call the car
Yeah,
right?
it's officially sponsored. It's
Yeah,
officially
yeah, yeah.
sponsored. They're supposedly sending us a 6-figure check after this, which
Yeah.
would be awesome.
Well, just send us another
we're all
car.
going on
one,
vacation.
It's like Oprah style. I want
Yeah.
everybody. You get one. You
Yeah,
get
yeah.
one. You get one. All right, everybody. Okay.
Yeah, I don't do this whole microphone thing, so I'm
Let's
gonna
get
sneak
out of there.
back
You're
behind the
done.
van, behind the
Hey,
camera.
just do me a favor and keep your
Thank
right
you all
arm
for
out of the
being
shot.
here, because this is truly
Hey,
beautiful.
Basner,
Love it.
Basner, I want you to look right through the window in here. I want you to wave hi because everyone can see. That's Bazzo. That's Bazzo. He's our pro roadie. So that's enough. That's enough, Baz. I'll stand here now. I love it.
What up, Bazzo?
Anyway, Bazzo, he is, a matter of fact, he got to be at the first one we ever did. And Baz showed up, was out here for the Cirque Series, which is a running race. Happens amongst the mountains here in the area, plus around the United States. Baz says, I want to come out. I want to do it. I says, word. I mean, you got to do stuff if you're coming with me, though. And he's like, all right, send me the way. So here he is. Baz, one more time. I love it. Baz, you're killer, bro. Thanks for being here. Okay. Well, here we go. Let's get back into some more of your music.
Tonight we're taking the back streets. We rockin' the music only if you got the backbeat. Night is calling, sun is falling, yeah. Tonight your travel's gonna take a back seat, baby. Pink sky, palm tree, swaying to the music of your ocean breeze. Perfect night, blue moon rising, looking to the sea into your deep blue eye. She said you gotta get lost to find yourself. Gotta get broke to find your real wealth. And if you find your money don't matter. Close your eyes and breathe this in and open your mind just a little bit wider. Just a little bit wider. Ain't it just a miracle how we seem to get caught in the crowd? Not a moment, just a minute, run your minute a mile. Ease your feet off the gas, have a drink and some grass. Park and feed your meter, feel you being relaxed some more. Yeah, oh. She said you gotta get lost to find yourself. Gotta get broke to find your real wealth. And if you find your money don't matter. Close your eyes and breathe this in and open your mind just a little bit wider. Just a little bit wider. You gotta get lost just to find yourself. Open up your mind just a little bit wider. You gotta get lost just to find yourself. Sorry guys. We went for it.
Went for it.
We totally went for
You
it.
got inspired. How many times have you had a chance to even do that song?
I mean,
We haven't played
Probably
with Tim for
couple
years.
thousand.
Got it?
So
Now.
Yeah, this
We're on the other
is
side of a long chasm.
we got separated from the thing,
Yeah,
and
the
then
thing.
we came back, and like that was it. We jumped.
Cool.
Should we do Mr. Moon or Fire?
both.
Mr. Moon.
Yeah.
Both.
Is she my girlfriend?
Is she my girlfriend?
Is she my girlfriend? Is she my girlfriend? Mr. Moon, it's Mr. Me, I'm Mr. Border now on me. A little company if you got the time. This time is all I have, just a little contraband. And then you could lend a hand, I'll need a light on this long and lonely night. said, now move, hey, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up, yeah. I said, now move, oh, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up. Mr. Moon, I had this woman, had a good thing going. I came around too slow and now she's gone. I know you heard this all before me, just that same sad story. But I wish you know she really done me wrong. She's got me singing to you all night long. I said, now move, hey, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up, yeah. I said, now move, ah, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up.
And it's the mood that's lonely, and I'm feeling lonely, and I'm looking for a friendly ear to bend. There was a time I had a man, but it went bad. Now all I have is time to burn one down on this lonely, lonely night.
So sit now move, hey, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up, yeah. I said now move, ah, you know you really got that swing. You know you're gonna reel me in. You know you're gonna change it up. Hey, move.
She my girlfriend.
Yeah, yeah, more. Won't you take
She
me
my
home?
girlfriend.
Yeah, yeah, more. Won't you guide me
She my
home?
girlfriend.
Yeah, more. Won't you take
She
me
my
home?
girlfriend.
On this long, lonely, lonely night.
Okay, stop all the cars.
Mountain Tribe.
What up, homies? Yeah, you can. Let's see. Fire. Fire. Know that my fire is burning and the waves keep it tumbling in. You know my desire is yearning for a life I can't depend in. You know that my river is flowing back into my dry land. You know that my ocean, she pulling back into my origin. What is it really that you're fighting for? Is it the same kind of power that you weave out on the dance floor? What is it really that you're fighting for? Is it the
know that my fire is burning, and the waves keep it tumbling in. You know my desire is yearning for a life I can depend in. You know that my river is flowing back onto my dry land. You know that my ocean should pull in back onto my origin.
Power struggle of the usual kind. It is a power struggle over the human mind. You are not a part of me, you do not control me, or I am mine.
But I hope that you are gonna bridge your world with mine.
Well, it's not the power struggle
Of the usual kind. It is a power struggle over the human mind.
so put yourself together, y'all, set yourselves free.
Alone we are a candle, but together we are fire, are we? Yeah. 'Cause you know that my fire is burning, and the waves keep it tumbling in. You know my desire is yearning for a life I can depend in. You know that my river is flowing back onto my dry land. You know that my ocean, she pulling back onto my origin. 'Cause you know that my fire is burning, and the waves keep it tumbling in. You know that my thunder is rolling back onto a mountain. You know that my people are waking deep from a sleep within. You know that we gather singing songs of creation. There must be some kind of way out of here. And the joker to the thief. Too much confusion. I can't get no relief. Oh, take it to the fire. Oh, take it to the fire. We're gonna take it to the fire. Let it burn, let it burn. Gonna take it to the fire. Gonna take it to the fire. We're gonna take it to the fire. Let it burn, let it burn. 'Cause you know that my fire.
Probably the best venue I think I've ever played in. I feel like.
Oh, I love that. Did you just say that too?
Yeah.
You said that, Tim?
Yeah, it was best venue ever.
I gotta be honest. This is I'm gonna start a statistic right now. I'm gonna start a stat that I didn't think would be something that would be said, but Denton and dude, I have it on tape. It's been said. It's been real. Denton in the last one, he was like, probably the best stage we've played to date, and you just said this is probably the best stage. What was the exact words? Ever. So we're good. So 2 for 2. Killing it. Okay, well, with that vibe, with that energy, what do you guys say? Close us out with the one that you want to take us home with.
Well, this one, this is just, it's a kind of a special song for me. I dedicate this one to the muses. And I just want to honor them and what they've done for Earth and all the music that has been inspired through that kind of energy, personified in that. I'm grateful when people make art and they feel that and they want to share it so you can feel it. And I just want to dedicate this one. This is called Miss Muselle. See. Travel across this land and a carpet bag in hand.
She don't take no shit from nobody.
And when the people ask her why, they look up to the sky.
She'll show them it's always in everybody. She's the daughter of Zeus. She'll come for you, Miss Museum.
She's what my dearest Miss Museum. You know I know well.
She knows me like she's everybody.
And when she comes up to the sky, the people they know why.
She'll show them it's always in everybody.
Yeah,
She's the daughter of Zeus. She'll come for you, Miss Museum.
Magic man, I'm here with you. You see my light, yes, I know you do. And when you wake me in the morning with the sweet sound of your words, yes, I know that it's you I heard.
Mama, I'm here with you. You see my light, yes I know you do. And when you wake me in the morning with the sweet sound of your bird, yes I know that it's you. I heard and we be singing.
Tell me now, where is my home? The abode we traded in for the money down low. Is it this rock we've been rolling on in the Milky Way? In the Milky Way, Milky Way. Nowadays we got our cellular phones and we found a number to call back home. And they're telling me, yes they be telling me, Lord,
all roads are leading to home. That's when the earth, she seemed to call me back again. Yeah, back to the time when she was just a friend. Back when the way was nothing but what we'd imagined, and the play was always down within you.
always Tell me now, where is my home? The abode we traded in, but I'm running down zone. Is it this rock we've been rolling on in the Milky Way? In the Milky Way, Milky Way. Nowadays we got our cellular phones, and we found a number to call back home. And they're telling me, yes, they be telling me, Lord, all roads are leading to my dearest Miss Muselle. You'll fall under her spell. She'll take you beyond eternity. And when the mothers ask us why we came down from the sky, she'll show them it's always in everybody. 'Cause she's a mother Zeus. She'll come for you, Miss Muselle. Yeah, she's a mother Zeus. She'll come for you, Miss Muselle.
I mean,
Yes. That's awesome. So, Mountain Tribe is who we had here up at the top of East something or other Canyon, East Canyon. We're found ourselves on a chunk of earth right here, and it's pretty darn magical. That, my friends, I got to thank you. Thank you so much. All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, that has been another episode of Live at the BeeHive here in the great state of Utah. I think we kind of get accepted being called the BeeHive bandwagon, like in Utah. I did nothing to like think of like that. I didn't rename nothing. I'm just like, this is cool. Should work out. So maybe Colorado will lose a resident and Utah will gain one. It's possible. All right, awesome. I'll tell you what, and I wish I had a better shot, but for our guests that are out there, if you guys want to come up and meet Mountain Tribe, let's go. I'm going to turn the microphones down. It's time to clean up and have a good night. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah, you guys, incredible. Thank you so much.